we were in Perth for about 3 days, and the city was starting to get to us. We're not really city people, and it was crowded. We went to check out Fremantle, which I was told was like the more artsy suburb of Perth, but it was just really touristy, so we've decided to head east towards the hills. We're going to Mundaring, and on the way we found this really cool antique shop, and it's just a gallery of stuff. So that was kind of neat. We don't have any time frame. We're just going wherever we go. And the weather has been perfect. It sort of started to rain, but it stopped, so it wasn't so bad. And it's warm. We've had lots of sunshine. So we're just going to keep going on. And we're just finding cool stuff along the way. It's really neat. All right. We've been cycling on the John Forest National Trail, and this is stunningly beautiful. We finally got out of the city, and we're out in the countryside. It's just, pure desert. Not the power lines, of course, but everything else is just beautiful. We've seen tropical birds. We have yet to see kangaroos. This has been an excellent choice to go along this route and get out of the city and off the roads. So this trail's really neat. It used to be a railway, and I can only imagine how beautiful that would have been. But it used to be a railway, and they've gotten rid of the tracks, and now it's just a cycle path and a walking path. It's really, really nice. So we're quite happy with everything so far. We're really happy with Australia.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning.
How are you?
Frozen.
Yeah.